Look at the universe. Endless, silent, vast beyond imagination. Billions of galaxies, trillions of stars. And yet, all of this exists only as an experience. But here's the question no one dares to ask. Who is the one experiencing the universe? Is it the brain? A bundle of neurons firing in darkness? Or is consciousness something deeper? Something science can't fully explain? Ancient philosophers searched for it. Modern science tries to measure it. But the truth may change how you see reality, yourself, and existence itself. Who is the one experiencing the universe? Right now, the universe is being experienced, but not by the stars. The code that predates reality. Before science asked what the universe is made of, an ancient system asked something far more dangerous. Who is the one experiencing the universe? This is not religion. This is not belief. This is Vedanta. In the modern world, reality is studied from the outside, through matter, energy, equations. Vedanta studies reality from the inside. Everything you experience, your body, your thoughts, your emotions, appears in awareness. And Vedanta asks a question most civilizations never dared to ask. If everything you experience is seen, what is doing the seeing? You can observe your body, so you are not the body. You can observe your thoughts, so you are not the thoughts. You can observe your emotions, so you are not the emotions. Vedanta calls this the distinction between the observer and the observed, and then it reaches a conclusion so radical, it still unsettles modern science. You can never observe the observer, because you are it. Vedanta describes the universe as Maya, not fake, not imaginary, dependent. Just as images depend on a screen, the universe depends on consciousness. The world is real, but not independent. Reality is not an object. Reality is the field in which all objects appear. This idea was not hidden. It was written clearly in the Upanishads thousands of years ago, and surprisingly, some of the greatest scientific minds quietly noticed it. Erwin Schrödinger, one of the founders of quantum mechanics, studied the Upanishads. He wrote that the total number of minds in the universe is one, not as religion, as philosophy. He understood something deeply unsettling. Physics can describe behavior. It can predict outcomes, but it cannot explain why experience exists at all. Vedanta had already crossed that boundary. Robert Oppenheimer, the man behind the atomic age, learned Sanskrit and read the Bhagavad Gita. When he witnessed the first nuclear explosion, he reached not for science, but for philosophy, not to justify power, but to understand consequence. These scientists did not derive equations from Vedanta. They found something else, a framework that addressed questions science had not yet learned how to ask. Modern physics eventually discovered that the observer affects the observed. Vedanta began there. Modern neuroscience struggles with the hard problem of consciousness. Vedanta never tried to explain consciousness. It starts with it. Modern technology can simulate intelligence, but not awareness. Vedanta never confused the two. This is why Vedanta was never meant for mass belief. Because once understood, control systems weaken, fear loses its grip, identity dissolves. What remains is a silent observer. Vedanta does not promise heaven. It does not offer comfort. It offers clarity. The future may be digital, but the deepest operating system was written long before technology. In awareness, if this challenges how you see reality, this channel is for you. Welcome to Myth Code 2045. Subscribe, not for answers, but for better questions. This was not information. This was an invitation. Thank you.